Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm just clearing away a bit of garden waste. I found a duck's nest and there are a lot of eggs in it. Probably about 10 eggs in there. I'm a little bit heartbroken. They do say that you shouldn't cut hedges, but I didn't realise that you couldn't move the cuttings. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect this duck's nest. So I have here the corner of an old wooden planter. I'm going to carefully place it over the duck's nest. Then I shall put a pile of holly cuttings back on top and hope for the best, and I will put a wildlife camera nearby, so hopefully in the near future I'll get some evidence of the ducks returning to this nest. Fingers crossed. I really hope and I'm praying to the universe that they do.